Hello guys, welcome to Sweet 4 tutorial for beginners. Today I will show how to create Hello World apps in Swift. So how we can create new apps in Xcode. So at first we click the Xcode ID and you will see this Xcode option. At first you will see the get start with playground and create new project, new Xcode project and clone existing projects. So now I will show the how to create a new Xcode project, and I will show the how to create Hello World apps. Click the create a new Xcode project. So this is the so many option of creating app. So I will select the single view. Click the single view and click the next button. Here use the product name. Hello World app. This is the name, and this is your bundle identifier to do dot hello world app. Then click the next button. Click the project here and select the folder where your Xcode project will be created, and click the create button. So our hello world app project created successfully. Here is the build setting. So here we will define the Swift language version. Here is the Swift language version. Here are the Swift 3.3, and now we will work in Swift 4 4.1. This is the Swift latest version. On right side, click the main storyboard. This is the UI view controller. Here is the all component of Xcode. Search the label label label. Click the label component and drag it to the main storyboard. Change the label. Welcome to Hello World app. So this is the label, and you can change the color. You can set the any color, and also you can set the font size. And you can set the background color. Select the background and set the color. This is the background color. And then you change the title color, the white. And now we can run our Hello World project. Here you can choose the simulator. iPhone 8 SE and iPhone X. We will run our project iPhone X, select the iPhone X simulator, and then click the run button. Click the run button. Our project is running. Here is our simulator. In this simulator, we'll run our Hello World app. First time it take a few seconds. Please wait a little bit. Here is showing the launching the app in simulator. So this is our Hello World app. Again, we can change our background color. We can set the color from here. We can run again. So this is our Hello World app in Suite 4. Thank you.